Hello and welcome to our channel. As we enter the new year, it's time to explore the top 5 programming languages that you need to know in 2023. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, staying up to date with the latest programming languages is essential to stay ahead in this ever-evolving field. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the most in-demand programming languages that are used in various industries and will help you to succeed in your career as a developer. Our first programming language on the list is Python. Known for its simple syntax and readability, Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's widely used in artificial intelligence, data analysis, web development, and many more industries. Python's versatility and ease of use make it an ideal choice for beginners and experts alike. Second is JavaScript is a must-know language for web development. It's used to build dynamic, interactive websites, and is compatible with a wide range of platforms and devices. With the growing popularity of mobile devices and web applications, JavaScript is an essential skill for any developer. The third one is Java, a powerful, object-oriented language that's been around for over 2 decades. It's widely used for building desktop and mobile applications, games, and enterprise-level software. Java is known for its scalability, stability, and security features, making it a top choice for developers in the corporate world. Next one is Swift, a modern, fast, and safe language used for developing iOS and macOS applications. It was developed by Apple, and with the growing popularity of Apple products, the demand for Swift developers has increased significantly. Swift is a must-know language for anyone interested in building applications for Apple's platforms. The last one is Go, a relatively new programming language developed by Google. It's a powerful language that's known for its speed, concurrency, and simplicity. It's used for building network and server applications, cloud-based applications, and many more. Go's growing popularity makes it an attractive language for developers looking to expand their skill set. In conclusion, these are the top 5 programming languages that you need to know in 2023. Whether you're interested in web development, mobile app development, or artificial intelligence, these languages will help you to stay ahead in your career as a developer. So, start learning these languages today and stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on programming and technology. Thank you for watching.